Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can see deleted messages on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find the home section, search, explore, and so on. And then here you're gonna find your profile page and so on. So right now, if you go to the top right corner, you're gonna find this icon that will take you to your direct messages. So right now, if you want to enter a conversation, just go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're gonna find all of your messages. So right now, if you want to delete, for example, a message, just hold click on it. And then right here, you're gonna find the option to reply, edit, copy, delete for you, and also unsend. So if you delete the message for you, you can't uh, really see the deleted message. The only way how you can do it is to ask the person you're talking to send you a screenshot or view it from their phone. If you click on unsend, there is no way you can really see the deleted message again. So, for example, I'm going to click on unsend this message. They're going to tell you that unsending will remove the message for everyone. People may have seen or forwarded it already. So, we're going to click on unsend. And then, as you can see, guys, the message is unsent. Unsent messages are removed from the conversation, but they may still be included if the conversation is reported. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.